Hi, you need to extract text from PDF document. In this video I will show you how. Use extensions for Google Chrome which allows you to do it all in one. Click. To do this, we need to install in the extension browser. PDF Tool Text. Link to it will be in the first comment. Open Google Chrome and see the web store in the address bar. Go to the first link. In the search field at the top you see PDF Tool Text. Click Enter. Select the first option from the list from Prius Labs. Then click the button. Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. Do not forget to fix the extension icon on the tool panel. For quick access. Now when the extension is installed, let's try. Export text from PDF document. Click on the extension icon in the upper right corner. Drag the file to the bootloader and click the Extract Text button. The extension will quickly scroll through the document and provide you with the extracted text. You can view it and copy it in one click. If you need to, you can. Save the text in the text format by clicking on this icon. Now you know how easy it is to extract text from PDF. Document using PDF Tool Text extension. If you like the video, do not forget. Like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new useful tips. All links in the first pinned comment. See you soon.